Good morning, this is Gracie Opulenza from Men's Style Fashion. A big thank you to Jaguar. I am experiencing a Jaguar Classic day. I can't even tell you how excited I am this morning. Now, we're going to be driving this particular one first because it's the hardest and the most difficult to drive. And don't be fooled, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be pretty exhausted by the time I am finished today. But adrenaline kicks in. And I mean, look at my vision. I'm incredibly blessed because there's hardly anyone here this morning. So I am on that track. And over here, the F-Pace, which I had in Australia. And we've got some more. And this is, okay, the RSGT. Absolute rocket, apparently. Gonna soon find out. Incredible. This is my view. Welcome to Jaguar Classic Day. You want to gift your wife or your husband or your brother or a family member. This is a gift. A priceless experience like no other.
Yep.